Hello everyone, this is Technopion back with another brand new episode of Fiverr Skill Test. So today we'll be trying to get 10 out of 10 in Fiverr Skill Test for Adobe Photoshop. We know for getting 10 it's quite possible and it is requested not to skip the video. Watch the full video to get a clear view of the questions. As you can see here, I kept this test once last year on April 19. I get 9 out of 10, which is pretty good. So let's get started. Enjoy the video. I'll be back soon. Well, as I have mentioned earlier, getting 10 is quite possible, but don't worry, I promise you guys, I will be back with another episode of Photoshop skill test with 10 out of 10 score. So if you don't want to miss the episode, please make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And guys, you can also tell me which test you want me to do in the next episode. So please do comments and let me know. Till then, stay safe, take care, and signing off.